Packing for a trip is exciting, but sometimes a small mistake can ruin everything. It's easy to forget things in the chaos of travel, but one mistake, one wrong turn, could lead to trouble you never expected. Imagine you're about to board your flight. Your bag's been scanned. You've made it through security. But then, at the gate, something's wrong. You're pulled aside. Your bag gets checked. And there it is, a small, unmarked pill bottle. Now the questions start. Where are the labels? What is this medicine for? Is it legal? Is it a controlled substance? The trip you were excited about now feels uncertain. What was once a smooth process turns into a tense interrogation. Does that sound familiar? It happens every day to thousands of travelers. But here's the thing, it can all be avoided. How? Simple. You just need to know how to pack your meds correctly and when to declare what you're bringing. So, let me ask you something. Do you know which meds are banned in other countries? What about which ones the TSA actually checks for? And do you know the best way to pack them? What if you have sensitive medications like insulin, inhalers, or even medical devices like a CPAP machine? It doesn't matter if you're flying, cruising, or traveling abroad. The rules change depending on where you are, who you're talking to, and what you've packed. But if you know the right steps to take, you can sail through the process without worrying about getting into trouble. In this video, you'll learn how to pack medication correctly, whether you're flying, cruising, or going abroad. No more guessing. No more stress. You'll avoid the complications, stay safe, and travel smart. So let's dive in. Hold on just a second before we dive into the essential packing tips. If you're finding these travel insights useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on more travel hacks that could save you time, stress, and even money on your next trip. Plus, by subscribing, you'll be the first to get fresh, real-world tips from someone who's been there, done that, and made the mistakes so you don't have to. So, go ahead, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and let's get back to how you can pack your meds like a pro. Sensitive medications require special care. This includes insulin, eye drops, and inhalers. You need to keep them cool if they need refrigeration. TSA allows cooling packs for medical reasons. Don't worry about looking extra. It's your health. Just make sure you declare anything that needs special handling like ice packs. And remember, you never know when your flight could be delayed. So always pack extra doses. One extra pill, one extra inhaler, just in case. What about medical devices? A CPAP machine, insulin pens, EpiPens, and autoinjectors need to be kept in your carry-on as well. Don't check them. It's your responsibility to carry these items with you. And if you're traveling with a device like a CPAP or anything that requires electricity, always bring a doctor's note to back it up. This could save you from hours of back and forth with TSA or customs. Let's talk TSA and airport rules. Here's a big one. No liquid meds over 3.4 ounces unless declared. It doesn't matter if it's prescription or over-the-counter. If it's in liquid form and over that size, it must be declared before screening. It's just one of those rules that's easy to forget, but could cause major delays. TSA and your medical devices. The moment you walk into the airport, let them know about your medical devices, CPAP, insulin pumps, EpiPens, anything. Don't wait until they start scanning. If you've got any device, declare it early to prevent the process from being delayed. If you need extra support at the airport, consider using the TSA Disability Notification Card. This card discreetly tells the agents that you require extra help, and you can hand it over without having to explain. It's a simple tool that could save you time and reduce stress when navigating security. Now, international travel brings an entirely new set of challenges. What's perfectly legal in your home country may not be in another country. Some common meds are banned overseas. Things like ADHD medications, painkillers, or even cold medicines could be on the restricted list. And if you don't know the laws before you go, you're putting yourself at serious risk. Research is key here. You need to understand which meds are legal to carry into the country you're visiting. Every country has different rules. Some countries even treat over-the-counter medications differently, and what's available at your local pharmacy could be forbidden in another part of the world. A translated prescription can help smooth out any bumps. If you're carrying prescription medications, make sure you have a translated copy of your script. This way, even if you don't speak the language, border agents can easily understand what you're bringing. The last thing you want is to be detained for something that's totally legal, but misunderstood. For cruise-specific rules, things can get tricky. If you're boarding a cruise, you'll want to pack all your meds in your carry-on. That's because when you board, the cruise staff will take your checked bags, and you won't see them again until you arrive at your destination. So anything you need during the cruise must be within reach. Also, refrigeration for meds on cruises. If your medication needs to be kept cool, you have to ask ahead of time. Don't assume that the cruise line will have everything ready for you. Call and confirm that they can store your sensitive meds properly. It'll give you peace of mind, and you won't end up in an unexpected situation where your meds spoil. Now that we've covered all the essentials, here's a quick checklist to make sure you're prepared every time you travel. Packing checklist. Carry on meds only. Keep them with you. Always. Prescription copy. Have one on hand, print it or keep it digital. Cooling packs. For anything temperature sensitive like insulin or eye drops. Doctor's note. For any devices or injectables. Extra 7-day supply. Pack enough for unexpected delays or cancellations. Translation card for global travel. Some countries don't speak your language, but your meds need no translation. First aid kit with over-the-counter meds. Think of anything you might need while traveling, pain relievers, bandages, etc. Now, here's a personal story. I once packed my meds in a bag that was lost. Never again. Since that day, I follow this checklist religiously. I never want to be in a situation where I'm scrambling for my meds. Now I'm prepared. Every single time. So here's the question for you. What's one med you never travel without? Drop it in the comments below, and let's help others pack smarter. And if you want more real travel tips, the kind that could save your trip, make sure you hit subscribe. You never know when the next tip might be the one that saves you from disaster.